Welcome to Woodcut Tech, where we uncover the most powerful wood processing machines. Today, we're diving into cutting-edge tech that'll blow your mind. Let's roll. Tons of grimy rails and creosote-soaked timber, once considered hazardous waste, are now transformed into valuable resources by the CBI 8400. Equipped with powerful crushing and magnetic separation technology, this machine extracts pure recycled steel and high-quality mulcher biofuel from the debris. No more toxic waste, just smart, sustainable solutions for a circular economy. Every revolution of the CBI 8400 is a leap forward for the environment. When it comes to handling massive volumes of scrap in bustling ports, the Kogan 875E crawler is the ultimate powerhouse. Its heavy-duty crawler tracks deliver unmatched stability, enabling robust performance on even the roughest terrain, from uneven container yards to obstacle-filled loading zones. The machine's versatility shines with customizable booms and specialized grapples, maximizing operational efficiency. Powered by a high-performance engine and precision hydraulics, it effortlessly moves tons of material at speed while ensuring safety. This makes it an indispensable asset for cutting downtime and boosting productivity in demanding port environments. Watching that New Holland tractor guzzle 10 to 16 gallons of diesel per hour makes you understand why it's called an energy monster. But here's the fascinating paradox. The wood chips it processes in just 1 hour could heat 2 to 3 homes all winter. Is this the perfect example of modern energy trade-offs? Burning fossil fuels to create cleaner bioenergy? While 16 gallons sounds staggering, if we calculate the output efficiency, are we truly wasting resources or actually optimizing them? Ever looked at a $1 million industrial machine and thought, I could totally build that myself? Feast your eyes on this jaw-dropping proof of concept. A self-taught engineer transformed a basic 504 RPM tractor PTO and ordinary C45 steel into an absolute wood-devouring monster. This is raw mechanical genius at its finest, where deep expertise meets unstoppable DIY spirit. No fancy factory, no corporate R&D team. Just next-level fabrication skills and bold vision. This beast puts industrial wood chippers to shame while costing a fraction of the price. So, who's ready to grab their welding gear and take on an extreme machining challenge? No need for new machines or complicated installations. The Narva S23 transforms your compact excavator into a versatile timber harvesting beast in seconds. With cutting, delimbing, and tilting capabilities for logs up to 9 inches thick, all controlled through a single valve, this is the ultimate power attachment every woodshop needs. Lightweight yet ultra-durable, with no complex hydraulics required. Just hook it up and go. What do you think of this genius solution? Drop a comment below if you'd like to see it tested on your favorite excavator model. This log splitter operates with the precision of a mechanical masterpiece. The carefully engineered 45-degree angle harnesses gravity to lock logs in perfect position, while the alloy steel blade slices through hardwood like butter. Its smart design reduces vibration by 40% compared to conventional models, extending machine lifespan and enhancing operator safety. Most impressively, it delivers industrial-grade performance at a fraction of the cost. This is the Petrice Chipper Energy 5075, the famous wood crusher that is taking the bioenergy industry by storm. Originally from the forestry industry, it has now become the ultimate weapon for farms thanks to its ability to turn waste wood into high-quality raw materials for the energy industry. With a huge capacity, every hour the machine can grind tons of wood chips into uniform chips, the perfect raw material for biomass power plants. Efficiency? The best. Do you believe that in just 1 minute of operation, the amount of wood chips produced is enough to provide energy for 5 households for the whole day? The Carlton 7-15 TRX is being pushed to its limits on this rugged terrain. The operator strains against ancient, iron-hard tree stumps, each grinding cut met with fierce resistance. Will this high-powered beast conquer the stubborn oak roots, or will the unforgiving rocky ground and relentless wood density prove too much? The tension is palpable. You won't want to miss this epic battle of man and machine versus nature's raw defiance. This polish-made wood crusher is an absolute engineering marvel. Its innovative dual-shaft system processes even the toughest timber with smooth precision, reducing jams by 70% compared to conventional designs. 6 premium-grade blades spinning at a blistering 2,800 RPM can turn massive logs into wood chips in seconds. Built to last with unmatched durability and operational stability, it's the ultimate powerhouse for any job site. This isn't just equipment, it's the future of wood processing. Unstoppable, intelligent, and radically efficient. The moment the blade glides through wood grain like silk steals my breath away. Each precision-cut curve, where raw muscle and machine become one art form. The craftsman's hands waltz with the lethal blade, every movement radiating terrifying expertise. Witnessing such perfection, I finally understand how passion can make one forget physical pain. The Duke DZ750 Combi isn't just a machine. It's a 2-in-1 tech marvel that shreds documents at lightning speed while chipping wood with single-touch operation. Powered by an AI-optimized 3.0 engine that auto-adjusts torque, It handles everything from paper to hardwood smooth as crystal. Its smart touch interface and laser self-cleaning system redefine luxury and safety. With IoT integration, monitor and control operations remotely via smartphone. Cutting-edge convenience meets peak performance. Old-school craftsmen considered themselves lucky just to have a good axe. But this Splitmaster, it's far more than a tool. It's an engineering masterpiece. With power rivaling heavy artillery, flawless stability, and intelligent control systems, it transforms wood splitting from back-breaking labor into pure art. Just position the log correctly and let Splitmaster do the rest. Watching it work fills you with awe. Modern technology has elevated traditional craftsmanship to a whole new level. From dozens of meters high, the world transforms into a living painting beneath your feet. A perspective only seasoned Vajan crane operators truly understand. This isn't just a job, but a privilege to witness the world from an angle that leaves everyone in awe. Hit play now to discover this one-of-a-kind viewpoint. The Timber Pro TL775D is a beast with a 450 horsepower engine and 500 psi hydraulics, turning charred logs into mulch instantly. Its quad-co saw spins at 1200 RPM, slicing hardwood like butter, while the 60-centimeter wide tracks ensure stability on any terrain. The dust-proof cabin with multi-axis joystick makes operation feel like gaming. The self-replacing filters and smart lube system cut maintenance time by 70%. From Oregon's ashes to storm-wrecked forests, the TL775D proves brute strength plus smart convenience was the ultimate solution. Does the worm gear's safety come at too high a cost to feed rate efficiency? Could advanced solutions like hydraulic accumulators or multi-plate clutch systems dampen surges while maintaining throughput? Next-gen shock absorption tech or auto PID controls might offer the perfect compromise. Every drive past the logging site left me awestruck. How do they peel bark cleaner than laser-cut precision? Then holy smokes, this video revealed the tech so advanced it'd make pros bow down. Each peel smooth as silk, precision perfect. It's oddly satisfying ASMR for engineers. The H425 and 1270-gram duo performs like a precision dance, every cut calculated to perfection. The jaw dropper, under 5% wood waste, while competitors lose 10 to 15%. This isn't just about efficiency, but maximizing every inch of timber. Sustainable forestry meets peak profitability. Smart tech plus zero waste equal logging's future. It's heartbreaking to witness this scene. The stubborn log keeps spinning endlessly in the machine, despite all efforts to force it into the conical mold. The technicians have tried everything, thought they had succeeded, but no. The machine continues to rotate defiantly, as if mocking all their attempts. Now the whole team can only stand by helplessly, scratching their heads in frustration. Is there any other solution? Or will this be the day the machine finally wins? This monstrous root ball is the ultimate final exam for every true professional. You'll instantly understand why military-grade planning is essential when every root fiber can become a deadly trap. Those unpredictable surprises always lurk beneath seemingly harmless soil. This is where hard-earned experience and expert knowledge become your survival weapons. Every move must be as precise as a surgeon's. One small mistake could trigger catastrophic consequences. The John Deere 8100 and Rotor S have revolutionized the stump removal industry with their incredible performance. Capable of handling a 24-inch stump in just 55 seconds, the system is not only 3 times faster than traditional methods, but also integrates exclusive vertical cutting technology and intelligent rotation control to ensure maximum safety. In particular, the smart design increases productivity by 22%, while reducing operator fatigue by 40%, thanks to the anti-vibration system and automatic load balancing. The 3-stage deburring system and self-cleaning mechanism help the machine operate smoothly for hours without worrying about clogging. This is truly a comprehensive solution for all professional demolition requirements, worthy of being the new gold standard in the industry. This reckless action sent a chill down my spine. Every hurried movement near the frantically spinning saw blade seemed like a challenge to death. A moment of distraction would cost more than any profit that could be made from this haste. This was not bravery. It was unacceptable carelessness. Safety is never negotiable. Have you ever dreamed of owning a mini branch-crushing beast? This 6-horsepower gasoline-powered shredder isn't just powerful and durable, it's also incredibly versatile, with razor-sharp blades that slice through branches like a hot knife through butter. Its lightweight, easy-to-control design, plus a smart reversible function, lets you effortlessly tackle even the toughest branches in seconds. The perfect sidekick for your garden, compact, yet unbelievably strong. Are you ready to make it yours? Thanks for watching, everyone. If you enjoyed this, don't forget to hit that subscribe button to see more awesome content. See you in the next one.